Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Hyundai Elantra side mirror. First, assess the damage to your mirror. Is it just the glass, or is the entire housing broken? You'll need to determine if a simple glass replacement is sufficient or if the whole assembly requires changing. Gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratching your vehicle's paint. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get to removing the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. This usually involves removing a few screws and then using your trim removal tool to release the clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the mirror's electrical connectors. Disconnect these carefully. Finally, unbolt the old mirror assembly from the door frame. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place, so make sure to support the mirror as you remove the last one. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your wrench or socket to secure them firmly, but don't over-tighten. Next, reconnect all the electrical wiring for the mirror's functions, such as power adjustment or heating. Ensure all connections are snug to prevent any issues down the road. Test the mirror's functions before reassembling the door panel. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips align and snap into place, and replace any screws you removed earlier. Once the panel is secure, thoroughly test all the new mirror's functions, including power adjustments and any heating elements, to confirm everything works correctly. This ensures your Hyundai Elantra is safe and ready for the road. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.